guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bathroom makeup space makeover, and I'm going to the dollar store and I will take you along with me, so I really hope you enjoy. Made it to the Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is what I ended up getting at the dollar store. I got this cute little jar I thought would be perfect for cotton balls or makeup brushes or something. And then I got this cute little acrylic thing. I figured I could find a good space for it. They had a whole bunch of them, but I do already have some, so I just got one. And I just grabbed these two black baskets for storage. And I found these little black cubby carrier case things. And they're seriously one of my favorite Dollar Tree finds of all time. I can think of a million different uses for them, so that's really fun. And then I also have this little acrylic thing from last time I went to the Dollar Tree, but I didn't see them there today. And I had this little acrylic drawer on hand that I got for Christmas a few years ago, and it was just sitting there empty, so I figured, you know, now is a good time to put it to good use. It also has this little lipstick organizer thing that goes on top, and then I just grabbed this little blue basket to organize some stuff in my drawers. So I found this adorable jewelry organizer at Gordon's the other day, and I thought, hey, that would work great for makeup, so I grabbed it. It was only 10 bucks, which that's a great price, I think. So I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. Okay, so this next clip might make you judge me a little bit, and to be honest, I'm kind of judging myself because it's horrible. But this is what it looks like after I go all out and do my hair and makeup, and obviously this is a bit of a problem. My poor husband. So that is why we're doing this video today. So let's get into the organization, shall we? Okay, so in the first basket right here, I'm just going to put some makeup samples that I got in the mail with a recent order back here. And then my new Juvia's Place palette, I'm gonna pop right here in front. I'm just going to put my moisturizer in here and toner in here. Just some things I don't need like every day, but are still nice to keep close. And then some of my palettes I'll just pop in right here. And then I can just get this, I can just put it under the sink and pull it out whenever I'm ready to use this stuff. Now in the second basket, I am just going to use this one for my straighteners and my curling iron. So I just wound it up and I'm going to pop that in there, and then get this other one. I'm kind of winding up the cord, but I'm sure you guys know you're not supposed to wind it tight or that will cause a short in your cord. So I'm just kind of like bunching it up and then stuffing it in this side, and then I'm putting the straightener in the other end. If that makes sense. It doesn't need to look perfect, it's just so that it's easy to put away, you know, out of sight, out of mind. I've cleaned out this cupboard, so I'm just going to get my first basket here and just put that in. And my next one, I put that in right there. And it fits perfect. Now I can just grab it when I need to use it. Ah, works like a charm. And guys, only $2 for these. attempted a little DIY here. I mixed beans with acrylic paint and they turned out really cute, but I had a really hard time like putting my brushes down in them, so sadly I don't recommend, but hey, at least it's cute. So this is my horrendous before, and this is the glorious after. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. Makes my makeup routine so much better and more joyful. So right here in these top drawers, I just have some of my little eyeshadows. And this one is empty. And then I just have some lippies and some mascara, eyeliner, etc. This bottom one, I have my highlighter, tweezers, primer, and some other stuff. And then here, I just have lip gloss, lip scrub, have some earrings, the lid to the little brush holder canister right there. In here, I just have some of my makeup that I use every day. I have my Morphe palette, and then I have my scrunchies, cotton balls, my setting powder, and my Q-tips. And then back here is just my little jewelry slash makeup organizer thing. But anyways, that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe below, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!